I'll be reading this. Welcome to my unboxing video. Retro Game Treasure. I forgot about this again. Hey Nugget. Oh yeah, sorry about the fan. It's too hot in here. Especially for the animals. Right, Nugget? Yeah, this is going to be my unboxing for Retro Game Treasure. I wrote RGT. Forgot the name of it for a second. There's, if you want to get the subscription, because it's a subscription for games, in case you don't know, for 1 month, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months. I was wrong. 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. Division there. If you want to buy it, it's in USD, so you have to calculate it or transition it into your own country's currency. They give out all kinds of games for different systems. The only ones they don't have are the small list: PS5, WiiU, Switch, 2DS, probably 3DS and up. They have a section for all the games, if you want to check those off. The kinds of themes: racing, adventure, strategy, and sports, and those are examples, there's more. The types of games, I don't know why they seem like they're the same kind. WWE, anime, fantasy, and Disney. There you go. Just in case you don't know about this. They have a wish list if you want to fill it out. So you can get a bigger chance to get the games you want. Because it's like a mystery box. Games you have. Yeah. They have another section for games you have so you don't get doubles of the same thing, which I love about it. I wrote Game Boy Advance and PS1, but I added a few other, I think PS2, 4, and Gamecube. Okay, so I'll go back to the unboxing. I don't want to look at it, I want it to be a surprise to you and me. I cut the thing here so I don't have to do it on camera. Oh. Now I think it's gonna be... Does it sound like The Boy Who Cried Wolf? Kept saying there's PS4, GameCube, PS2. I think this time I could feel it in the box. What's this? Feels stuck together. Oh, there's something stuck together. What is it? Oh, Spiral. The book fell out. Oh. Well, I'm going to pull that one out then. I don't know what's going on here. I'm not going to look. I don't know. Is this stuck together like glue? Oh, there's a sticker, it feels like. Maybe it's the PS... whatever that is. Was it PS4? If that's PS4. Oh, Spyro. Just making double sure. It's a good CD. I'm going to put this case back in. Hey, so this was the game that got me into gaming. Maybe. That's debatable. Spyro or Sega? because of Sonic and stuff and Rice Star. Yeah, I'll tell the story about that when I'm done at the end. So let's see if this is PS4. Nugget. Oh. Looks like Borderlands. Okay, Nugget? Yeah? Borderlands 3. Nice. And in the little wrapper, too. So we'll be playing those two this month. What's this? This is huge. Oh, might be only 3. Come on. Okay, I just saw that. PS2, but I don't know what game. Oh my gosh, no way. I look at the back and now I know what it is. That's another childhood game. I'll never forget the first level. The boat. Cool. Is that it? Just 3? Okay. Well, I'm excited to play those. Okay, for Spyro first. Well, there you go. So for Spyro first, that's a huge memory for me. I'm glad I got it back in as PS1. I'll never forget my mom. I used to watch her play it all the time. Every weekend she would wake me up in the middle of the night. We'll play it together when everyone's sleeping. The best memories ever. But yeah, that's the first game that got me into gaming. I would say not my favorite Spyro game. I'd say the first one would be Year of the Dragon. Then it would be Ripto's Rage. And this one. But I still love them. It'll be the 3 games that I love. Spyro's like one of those. I'll always pick Spyro over any other game if it's a choice. Oh. I played 1. I never played 2 or 3. Includes game plus gold weapon. Huh. Cool. So I'll be busy with that and SOCOM. SOCOM. Hold on. I'm trying to think what I wanted to say. SOCOM. The first level, there you go. With the boat. I'll never forget that level. That was probably my first level. My first favorite level, I mean. In this game. Then I remember the snow level. That was another big memory of it. And what's the other one of this? There was one year in the jungle. That's the one I could never get past as a kid. Wow, what? I got 2 childhood games in one. Those 2. Spyro. I'm excited to play that. A few more minutes. SOCOM. So yeah, we'll be playing that too. 30 weapons. You know what? As a kid, I never understood how to play it. I think now that I'm more grown up from then, I'd probably understand how to play it more. I didn't even know, obviously. when I was really young, I never really knew what a silence pistol was, or silence guns. So now, there we go. We'll play that, and we'll probably be able to beat it, no problem. Cool. Hope you enjoyed this video. I know I sure did. Okay, wait. How did I say it? Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, ding the bell. There we go. Hope you be safe. And see ya.